In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set up Rithmic to Quantower. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to rithmic.com. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to sign up using a free demo for new traders up here, or you can also purchase Rithmic by going out to products and then desktop and laptop right here. From here you'll be able to sign up to Rithmic like so by clicking sign up here. And then you will get 14 days of free trial. Well, you'll need to enter your first name, last name, mail, password, phone number, country, street, city, all of this jazz right here. And just click sign up for Rithmic free 13 days trial. From here, you'll need to open up Quantower. Once you've done that, it'll look something like this. Yours might look a bit different, but this is how mine looks. From here, you'll need to go up to the menu up here and see Rithmic up here. And it should probably be disconnected right here. But once you click on it, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to enter in your username and password, and then you'll need to choose the specific server that you have created your Rithmic account for. Once you've done that, you'll simply need to click connect, and then a page up here in the middle will say that it has been connected successfully. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!